Let's see how to fix my iPad touchscreen not working. In the first step, open Settings. Next, go to Accessibility. After that, select Touch option. Now turn on or off Assistive Touch. In the next step, open Settings. Later, go to Display and Brightness. Later, modify touch sensitivity. In the next step, open Settings. Now go to Face ID and Passcode. Now switch off Attention Aware features. In the next step, open Settings. Later, go to General, then choose Storage and iCloud usage. Next, clear up space if running low. In the next step, open Settings. After that, go to Privacy and Security. After that, select Analytics and Improvements. After that, disable Share iPad Analytics. You are good to go.